Namaskar Gurukulians, how are you? Hope you would be fit and fine. Today we are going to do the topic that is modals. In my previous lectures, I told you about many other modals, but in this lecture we are going to do this modal. The name of this modal is need. This is a semi-modal. You know, semi-modal. Why it is standing? Because it is used also as a verb and also as a modal. See, need. If we are going to make it use as a verb, so how it is done? I don't need money. See, this is used as a verb. Okay, I don't need money. You don't need to go there. You don't need to go there. Now see, if we have to make it as a modal, how it is done? So first one we can see here from necessity and compulsion in the negative and interrogative sentences. Like you need not pay the bill. You need not pay the bill. If we want to make it use as a verb, so we will write here you don't need to pay the bill. You don't need to pay the bill. So if we have to, this is used as a verb, but here it is used as a modal. You need not pay the bill. I hope the difference is clear to you. Now see another one. Need I speak to him? If I am going to make it in interrogative as a verb, so I will write here, do I need to speak with him? With him. Okay, but if I have to do it in the form of a modal, so I can also write the same sentence in this way. Need I speak to him? What it will be, dear students? Need I speak to him? I hope it is clear to you. Now, we are going to do next thing. Had to used in place of need to. Had to is used in place of need to. And need not have. Need have in the interrogative sentence. You know what? In the modal, there is not any past form of need. But in verb, we can say that need, needed, needed. But in modal, it is not existing. So, my dear students, how you can describe? You need not have wasted your time in this useless activity. इसका हिंदी में अगर जो हम मीनिंग निकालें तो इसका मतलब ये है you need not have wasted your time. आपको अपना टाइम किसी यूजलेस एक्टिविटी में वेस्ट करना नहीं चाहिए था. दैट मीन्स एक पर्सन है जिसने वेस्ट कर दिया और हम उसको एडवाइस कर रहे हैं कि आपको अपना टाइम योर टाइम आपको यूजलेस एक्टिविटी में वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए था. तो हम पास्ट की बात को एज अ मोडल कैसे लिख सकते हैं? दिस इज द वे. You need not have wasted your time in this useless activity. What we did? Need plus not plus have, and after having people are aware about that third form comes. Now see, need I have to see my doctor? This is also you can say in interrogative sentence. How it can be done? Need I have to see my doctor? After that you can see that after have what is coming? Infinitive. So क्या मुझे अपने डॉक्टर से मिलना चाहिए था? So need I have to see my doctor? I hope it is clear now. As a verb, how it can be utilized? As a modal, how it can be utilized? Both are the ways we people have seen. Okay. Now we are going to do the next one. modal that is ought to. Meaning of ought to means चाहिए. Okay. Subject obligation. Obligations mean you can say duty or you can say प्रतिबद्धता in Hindi it is. We ought to love our neighbors. Generally we say that we should respect our elders. Should and ought to and must इन सब का मीनिंग चाहिए होता है. But शुड माइल्ड फॉर्म है. माइल्ड फॉर्म मीन्स बहुत पोलाइटली बोला जाता है और छोड़ दिया जाता है ऑन द सब्जेक्ट इज गोइंग टू डू दैट और नॉट. ऑटो में क्या होता है, इंटरनली यू आर गोइंग टू फॉलो समथिंग एंड फॉर दैट कि आप इंटरनली उसको फॉलो कीजिए विद योर विलिंगनेस. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड इन ऑट टू. इसमें ऑब्लिगेशन एंड ड्यूटीज बोथ आर कमिंग. ओके. नाउ सी वी ऑट नॉट टू डिसीव एनीवन. हमें किसी को धोखा नहीं देना चाहिए. So that is what ought not to deceive anyone. So that means should से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा फोर्स इसमें है, इसमें ought to में. ओके. और सबसे ज़्यादा फोर्स किस में है, must में, कि आपको ये करना ही पड़ेगा, otherwise there might be any punishment, there may be any punishment. See now, to give advice you ought to practice for more than 2 hours. आपको 2 घंटे से भी ज़्यादा की प्रैक्टिस करनी चाहिए. So यहाँ पर हम लिख सकते हैं you should practice more than 2 hours. should लिख सकते हैं but it depends on you कि आप उसको lightly बोलना चाहते हैं या हल्का सा फोर्स देकर बोलना चाहते हैं या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा फोर्स के साथ प्रेशर करके किसी को बताना चाह रहे हैं. तो तीनों फॉर्म्स में डिफरेंट अपीयर्स करेंगे. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सब्जेक्ट और द पर्सन हु इज स्पीकिंग कि वो किस तरीके से कहना चाह रहा है. सो यू ought to practice for more than 2 hours. Less forceful than must. Comparatively ये less है. देखिए आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. should we are saying it very lightly. You should respect your parents. Simply we are saying very lightly we are saying. ought to means चाहिए से, but इसमें थोड़ा force है. means we are saying something to another one should follow it with willingness. So for that purpose ought to is used. Now the third one is must. In must the total force is over there. No option is left for the other person to follow that. Okay. There is a force that you have to do that. You must do that. Okay. I hope it is clear. Many students are having doubt in that. So today I hope it would be clear to you. Now we are going to do another semi-modal that is dare. Dare is used as a verb also. Dare, dared, dared. Okay. So dare means साहस करना, हिम्मत करना किसी चीज के लिए. So I dare not go to my father. मेरी हिम्मत नहीं है कि मैं अपने फादर के पास ये बात कहने चला जाऊं या फिर फादर के पास चला जाऊं. So if you want to make it as a verb, it will become I don't dare to go to my father. But if you have to make it as a modal, so see there, dare not go. Two will not come. Two will not come in between. Generally, what the students do, I dare not to. They generally put, so it will become wrong. Now see, dare we interrupt them. Means हम उनको इंटरप्शन इन हिंदी बीच में रोकने की हिम्मत नहीं कर सकते. तो क्या हम बीच में रोकने की हिम्मत नहीं कर सकते हैं. So for that purpose dare we interrupt them. Okay. So do we dare to interrupt them? If you want to make it as a verb, so it will go like this. Otherwise in the form of a modal it will run like this. Dare we interrupt them. Now see, how dare you to talk like this. आपकी हिम्मत कैसे हुई ऐसे बात करने की. So how dare you. Generally we speak na in conversation you have heard many times. So how dare you talk like this. So how, I hope it is clear. Not any, it is not used in the verb. So here you can say modal it is like that. Okay. Now used to generally shown as the past habit of someone. Like आपके फादर हैं, पास्ट में बहुत आपके ग्रैंडफादर रोज 1 घंटा मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए जाते थे, एक्सरसाइज करते थे, तो फॉर दैट पर्पज द पीपल कैन यूज टू, माय ग्रैंडफादर यूज टू वॉक फॉर एन आवर. ओके, मीन्स वो क्या बता रही है उनकी पास्ट की हैबिट. सो और आई यूज टू गो फॉर अ वॉक एवरी मॉर्निंग. मैं खुद भी वॉकिंग पे जाया करता. कब? मीन्स दिस इज माई पास्ट हैबिट, और आज वर्कलोड है और एनी अदर ऑब्लिगेशन और ड्यूटी आई एम हैविंग, सो जस्ट ड्यू टू दैट आई एम अनएबल टू गो right now or nowadays. Now existence of something in the past. If something used to exist, now see, there used to be a garden in this place long ago. Suppose where you are having right now, there used to be the, you can say, after you can say after some distance, there used to be the jungle, or you can say the garden over there. So you people could say that there used to be a garden in that place a very long ago. बहुत साल पहले यहाँ पर एक पेड़ हुआ करता था, गार्डन हुआ करता था. Anything you can show, what was existence of anything. I hope it is clear to you. These are very easy and you people have to do it. Okay, and we will give you through PDF the assignment and you people would attempt.